So we are going to solve a question on IP packet. The maximum transmission unit of a router is 1500 bytes. The IP packet received is 4404 bytes with an IP header of 20 bytes. The values of the relevant fields in the header of the third fragment is being asked here. So let's see. The MTU is 1500 bytes. That is the maximum data which the router can send is 1500 bytes. The MTU is like the total, that is data plus header. So to find the data present in the packet, we will subtract the header, that is 20 byte, from the maximum transmission unit, which is total, right? So the data being sent is 1480 bytes, right? So we have to send 4404 byte, but it also includes the header. So the actual data being sent is 4384 bytes. We can only send 1480 bytes. Why? Because the MTU is 1500 minus the header is 20. So minus 20 is 1480, right? To send 4384 bytes, we will need 3 fragments. So what we are doing is, at a time we can only send this much data, right? Because the maximum amount of allowed data is 1500. So at a time we can only send 1480 bytes after subtracting the header. So we will divide this 4384 into 3 components of 1480. So in first component we get 1480 maximum. Second component we also get 1480 maximum amount of data in a fragment. Third component, since we are only this much data is allowed, so we will get 1424 remaining bytes, right? Data to be sent will get divided into 3 fragments because the maximum allowed data limit for transmission per fragment is 1480 bytes. Now third fragment will have 1424 bytes and its more value, that is how much data remaining, is 0. Why? Because it's the last fragment. So MF value is 0. There is no more data present here, right? And it's the last fragment. Now 1480 plus 1480 is equal to 2960. So the amount of data which was sent before this third fragment is 2960, right? And 2960 divided by 8 is, which we are going to find the offset, right? How do we find the offset? The amount of data which we have sent before the current packet divided by 8. So we have sent 2960 bytes before the third fragment and divided by 8 is 370. Offset is the data sent before the current fragment, which is third fragment in this case. So the offset value is 370. Why? Because we have sent 2960 before this and divided by the scaling factor, that is 8. So the answer for this question is, the values of the relevant fields in the header of the third fragment generated is, MF value is 0 because it is the last fragment, and datagram length is 1444. Why? Because we have also added the 20 bytes of header in this 1424 we have added 20 bytes of header, so 1444, and offset is 370 because we have sent 2960 bytes before it and divided by the scaling factor 370 is the answer, right? So option A is the answer. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.